everybody? I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fix a Fitbit Charge 4 black screen. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you have a Fitbit Charge 4 and you have a black screen like this and you can't get your screen to work, hopefully this video will help you. Now, for full disclosure, my screen works just fine, I believe. If we just double tap it, there we go. My screen works just fine, but if your screen is stuck on a black screen, this is what I would do if I was in that position. So I'm gonna go over 4 specific things. The first thing is check your charging components, because believe it or not, you might think that your device was charging, but in reality, maybe something is not working with regards to the charging stuff. So you have a power outlet. Make sure that there's power going to the outlet. Some people think that it's charging, but in reality, they tripped a circuit breaker or blew a fuse, and their outlet is not providing power. So make sure there's power going from the outlet. Make sure your power brick is rated at the right ratings for amperage and wattage and so forth. Make sure your cable is not kinked, frayed, cut, or anything like that. Make sure it's just in good condition. Make sure that when you actually plug it in, you're getting a good connection and you're doing it properly. Because some people just clip it like this and like, okay, it's done. No, you need to know that it's charging. There's a little haptic vibration and you see the charging symbol, okay? But even if your screen isn't working, when you charge it, you'll still feel that vibration. So remember, plug in your charger. Do you feel the vibration? That will let you know if it's charging or not, okay? In addition, you should try and figure out if the device is on. Your device might be off and that's why you're getting a black screen, or your device might be on and your screen is just malfunctioning or not working properly. Push the button on the side. You should feel a little haptic vibration feedback. If you feel that haptic vibration feedback, even if the screen isn't working, you know your device is on. Okay, at least that's my opinion on the matter, okay? So that's the first thing. Check your charging components. Make sure the device is actually on and it's not off, okay? The second thing, is the device glitchy? It might just be glitching right now, which is totally normal. If so, you want to do a hard reset. I'll tell you how to do that. You want to go ahead and plug your charger in. Make sure that it's charging. Like I said, I just felt that haptic vibration feedback. Then press and hold the side button down for 8 to 10 seconds while it's plugged into the charger. That will give you a little reset, which will just restart the device without using the touch screen, only using the button. And hopefully that fixes the problem, okay? Hopefully you see that smiley face pop up and that lets you know the device has been restarted and hopefully your screen works, or at least gets you closer to getting it to work, because maybe you see the smiley face, but maybe you're not able to see the clock face after. So you can sort of get steps closer to an answer. The third thing is just wait a bit. Sometimes technological devices malfunction. It is completely normal. Sometimes my advice is just wait 5, 10 minutes, half an hour. You know, maybe there's some sort of update happening, some sort of glitch happening, and it's just frozen and you just got to wait a little bit and try again. So I would say give it like a maximum of half an hour before you really think that it's not working properly. If you've waited half an hour and tried things again and it still doesn't work, then your screen is probably experiencing a different problem. Okay? Last thing that you want to try, this will probably rarely fix the problem, but it might, and that's try to manually sync it. And when you try to manually sync, it might fix a problem, but it will also allow you to know if your device is on and if it's actually working. Because you might just have a screen problem, or you might have a whole device problem. So go into your Fitbit app on your phone or tablet and just manually sync with your Fitbit Charge 4 and just see what happens. Hopefully it fixes a problem, or at least hopefully it allows you to know that your device is actually functioning and it might just be the screen itself. So that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.